Welcome to the A+ Dtan Korean Facial Monodose Kit tutorial. This facial is designed to detox, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin. Remember, it's suitable for normal, oily, and dry skin types, but avoid using it on acne-prone, pimpled, or sensitive skin. Step 1. Dtan Cleanser. Apply evenly on the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Massage for 5 minutes to dissolve dirt and oil. For both oily and dry skin, wipe off with a wet tissue. Step 2. Dtan Exfoliator. Massage gently in upward circular motions. This step removes dead skin and unclogs pores. Again, for both oily and dry skin, wipe off with a wet tissue. Step 3. Dtan Brightening Massage. Gel using wet fingers. Massage in upward strokes to enhance blood circulation. For dry skin, massage 5 minutes and leave on. No need to remove. For oily skin, massage 15 minutes, then wipe off with a wet tissue. Step 4 and 5. Chamomile Extract Serum plus Dtan Brightening Massage Cream. Mix both together, apply, and massage in light upward strokes for 15 minutes. This step firms the skin and improves circulation. For dry skin, leave it on. For oily skin, wipe off after 5 minutes with a wet tissue. Step 6. Chamomile Algae Rubber Mask. Mix the 30-gram powder with 47 milliliters water, apply a thick layer, and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Once set, gently peel it off. Step 7. Chamomile Mask with essential oils. Apply a smooth layer and let it rest for 20 minutes. After that, massage for 3 minutes and wipe off with a wet sponge or tissue. Step 8. SPF 50 PA Double Plus. Finish by applying sunscreen evenly on face and neck. Gently pat until fully absorbed to lock in UV protection. It's the complete Dtan Korean facial. Thank you.